How to choose the right trade school for your career goals. Jack Andrew McLoughlin. The education landscape has evolved tremendously over the years. In this blog post, we will explore how to choose the right trade school for you. The first step to choosing the right trade school is identifying your career goals. What career do you want to pursue? Understanding the kind of job you want will help you narrow the list of trade schools to apply to. Don't be afraid to research different industries to identify the right trade school for you. Accreditation is a crucial aspect when choosing a trade school, since it ensures that the school adheres to certain standards and that its programs meet the requirements set by industry standards. If a trade school isn't accredited, its programs may not be credible and may not provide the education that will prepare you for your career. Attending a trade school can be challenging, but having the right support system can make a significant difference. Before enrolling in a trade school, look for student support services the institution offers. Additionally, you can also reach out to current or former trade school students to get their perspective on the institution's support services. Their personal experiences can provide valuable insights into the school's overall environment and resources available for students. Trade schools aren't always cheaper alternatives to traditional colleges and universities, however, they can be more affordable and less time-consuming. Before enrolling, identify the cost of tuition, textbooks, and other required fees. In addition to these factors, it's important to research the job placement rates and success stories of graduates from the trade school. Remember that, ultimately, the right trade school for you aligns with your career goals, provides quality education and support, and fits within your budget. As an added tip, research the trade school beyond the information its website offers. Look at alumni testimonials and success stories to determine if the trade school is worth your time and money. Whatever the trade school you choose, ensure they offer academic support, a curriculum that aligns with your goals and desires, and accreditation.